I'm thinking it might be a little more than I thought.
Birthday girl! I'm extremely high, and I feel very nauseous right now, so I need to sit.
About to throw up. It's definitely hard. It's not horrible. It's so beautiful. Look.
We're at 10,000 feet. I only threw up twice.
Deuce, how are you feeling?
Nobody seemed to care that I was throwing up.
Now, yes. Oh, nice. But we
It's your birthday lunch.
In my bag.
It's my birthday!
God, I want to go. I'll sleep right here. Base camp looks nice.
We're at base camp. I think being from I'm gonna cry. Being from low altitude, it really made me nauseous and I kept having to stop. I kept trying to push and push and push, and then finally my wonderful husband was like, no, we're gonna get the horse, which the horse in itself was a totally different experience. I'm kind of sad that I didn't make it, but at the same time I did make it. I just kind of took an alternate route.
Happy birthday!
That's for me? I'm gonna cry! Come on, come on! For the volcano.